Welcome back, and it's now time for the Business Review with Dashan Hendricks. He'll be looking at 100 years of Red Stripe and plans to move the company forward for another 100 years.
Red Stripe celebrating 100 years and putting things in place for another 100.
This is a huge milestone for us.
At the helm for this milestone, Mexican Ricardo Nuncio, tasked with leading the first few years of the next 100 years for Red Stripe. His celebration is about the staff and the customers who have kept the company going.
Yes, we've been through ups and downs, changes of ownership, changes of let's say, visions, but one thing remains, which is the pride of what we stand for, which is we stand for a brand that is really powerful.
Celebrations aside, Mr. Nuncio says he is positioning the company to grow. Red Stripe for him is a brand which represents possibilities. The beer itself was selected by its parent company, Heineken, to be among 9 international brands it will be pushing across the globe. Heineken boasts a portfolio of 250.
Yeah, so we have a portfolio of international brands. Of course, Heineken is the flagship brand of our mother company. But within that, we have other beers. For example, we have Lagunitas, which is a craft beer. We have a beer from Asia, which is called Tiger. We have another beer, which is Sol, coming from Mexico. And within those, we have Red Stripe from Jamaica. So it's really a great deal. It's a big honor to be part of that set of brands.
For Red Stripe, the push started on Friday with the launch of a new global campaign. For Mr. Nuncio, it is the start of exploiting the possibilities of the iconic Jamaican beer. The countries targeted are the UK, the US, and Canada.
What I really love about this campaign is that it is grounded in Jamaica. So we've been in this journey for more than a year, and it's taken a lot of time because at first we wanted to do a global campaign thinking of what Red Stripe represents in globally and then trying to fit it into Jamaica. And our new head of marketing said, guys, you're making it all wrong. It has to be grounded in Jamaica's insights. Jamaica is so powerful, and the insight is that Jamaica is the only small country, a small island that can make the entire world shake.
He said he will also be looking to shake Sweden, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, and the Caribbean region. To do that, the brewery has been improving. So far, millions have been spent to do so. The company hardly keeps pace with the demand for Red Stripe flavors. The international market is growing fast as well.
We're also looking in countries like Italy, Ireland is showing interest. The brand team just came back from a global conference where all the brands present their new material, and they have a list of countries that are interested in carrying Red Stripe. So we need to explore, it needs to make sense, but I think that the brand definitely is going to go to new markets next year.
Mr. Nuncio said the new line, dedicated only to serving the export market, produces enough to satisfy demand. But that is with the growth which is projected. If things turn out as expected, it will be 8 years before new capacity is needed. If things grow faster, then millions more will have to be spent sooner for more expansion. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.